Hey everyone, let's see this question 16. In it we have given two columns and we have to match the similar items in the both the columns. So here we have given stack, queue and hash table, and in this side we have first in first out, lookup operations and last in first out. Okay, so let's see the properties of stack, queue and hash table. So stack is like a book of stack, right? If you have a pile of books and you have stacked them like this is your first book, this is your second book, and this is your third book. Which book will you first take, right? You will start from here. Okay, so whatever book you have last put in the stack, that you'll take first. So stack work in last in first out basis. Okay, what about queue? So queue is a simple queue of people, like you are in a ticketing window of a movie and whoever comes first, that one will get the ticket first, right? So it's like this: whoever is here, let's say here is a ticket window, and this is person A, this is person B, this is person C. So this guy who has first in will get the ticket first, and that guy will move out of the queue. So queue works in first in first in first out manner. Okay, and what does a hash table do? Hash table do simple lookups, right? So it's like this is your hash table and it has key value pairs. Here you will have a key, you will have a value, and so on. Same for key and value, key and value. And when you want to look up, you will have a key and you go on that particular key value and see the value. You can go to this address with the help of key and do the lookup for its value. So hash table are for lookup operations. So now we know about these three and we can match. So stack will be our last in first out, or lookup operation will be hash tables, and first in first out will be queue. So P will be queue, that is P will be second, these two options. Lookup operation will be hash table, so Q will be 3, so this option, and last in first out is stack, so this is this one. So the option A will be correct. Thank you.